Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to start IT subject. You have first chapter on evolution of computers. In this chapter we are going to learn early calculating devices, generation of computers, types of computers, characteristics of computers. First of all, we are going to see something about computer. What is a computer? First question. The computer is an electronic device. Why it is electronic device? Because it works on electricity. Okay. Computers are used in almost all the places nowadays. Nowadays we are whole are depends on computer technology. Now we are going to learn online classes because of computer, because of technology is right. No, mobile is also part of computer only. Over the years computer have gone through many changes in their size, speed, appearance and technologies. Okay, computers over the years computer have gone there through many changes. How? In their size, speed, appearance and technology. How? We are going to see next. A computer is a device that can do calculation in a very fast and accurate manner. Computer, what they do? The computer do calculations and work. Computer work is very accurate and very fast. The next, now we are going to see early calculating devices. There are total 5 calculating devices. First is abacus, second is Napier's bone, third is Pascaline calculator, fourth is difference engine, and last one, fifth one is analytical engine. We are going to see deeply the next. The first one is abacus. What is abacus? Is a first calculating device. In early time people used fingers, stones and bones for calculation. When computer was not there, that time people was counting. The people was using that time for counting what? The fingers, stones and bones. Okay, but after that is large number is not possible to count by finger, bones and stones. Is possible? No. Then later the Chinese, what they do, developed the first calculating device, abacus. Okay, later the Chinese developed the abacus which helped in counting larger number. So abacus was helping for counting larger numbers. Okay, it was made up of a wooden frame. See, they have shown in the picture. For abacus what they used, wooden frames. Okay, with the rods. Okay, rods are there and frame, the side frame was, they was using wooden. Okay, and the middle rods are there. Okay, each rod had a definite number of beads. See, the fixed number of a beads, they was fixed. Okay, the abacus was the first calculating device. That time the first calculating device what developed abacus. What was the use of abacus? It is mainly used by merchants, traders who needed to count the atoms they sold or brought. Okay, whatever the businessman was there, no, whatever the atoms they was purchased, that time they was counting the atoms, how many atoms they brought, they are going to count by using abacus. Okay, so it helps to count small numbers. Okay, is possible to count, is not possible to count by fingers and stones and bones. That numbers they are going to count through abacus. It was also used to perform basic calculations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication, division. Okay, so these the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is possible to count through abacus. The second device, before that we are going to see the fact box about abacus. The word abacus is taken from a Greek word. See, abax, which means flat surface. Okay. So next, Napier's bones. That time was not possible to count the big numbers through abacus. That's why the Napier's bone, the second calculating device, was published. Okay, Napier's bones was invented by John Napier in year of 1670. See why it is Napier's bone? Because who developed the John Napier. He had given his own name for that calculating device. See the calculating device in picture they have shown. How was this? Okay, so we are going to see what was actually Napier's bone. Napier's bones, it consisted of rectangular rods. See, they are given in picture. It consisted of rectangular rods made up of bone. See, rectangular rods they have used, and how they made? Through bone, ivory, wood or metal. This type of these materials they have used. These rectangular rods had numbers written on them. See, on that rectangular rod they have written the numbers. Okay, Napier's bone was mainly used for multiplication. Why they was using that time? For multiplication. Main the use of Napier's bone was multiplication. After that, the next, Pascaline calculator. The third one is Pascaline calculator. See in picture how was that? Okay, the Pascaline calculator was developed by Blaise Pascal. He also given his own name to the calculating device, Pascaline, who developed a Blaise Pascal. That's why he has given the name Pascaline. Okay, he was developed there, that's why he was given his own name. Okay, the Pascaline calculator was developed by Blaise Pascal in year of 1642. It was a rectangular box. See, numbers were displayed on the rotating wheels. See, rotating wheels are there, and on that rotating wheels the number was displayed. Okay, it was mainly developed for accounting purpose. Why Pascaline has developed this calculating device? Because of accounting purpose. Okay, the abacus, comparing the Napier's bone, abacus is very low counting. Okay, abacus is not enough for counting. That's why the Napier's bone was developed. After that, the multiplication, Napier's bone was using for multiplication, but it is not enough for counting. Okay, that's why the accounting purpose, the accounting section, the Pascaline was developed, Pascaline calculator. Okay, and it was mainly for accounting purpose only. And the first Pascaline could handle only 5-digit numbers. See, only 5-digit number the Pascaline is able to handle. After that the development, but later version were able to handle 6 and 8-digit numbers as well. Okay, so after that the Pascaline was handling 6 or 8-digit numbers. So up to 8-digit number calculation possible through Pascaline. After that, after 8, then the next calculator device was developed because of the more than 8-digit numbers. That is a difference engine. Okay, the difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage in year of 1822. Who was developed the difference engine? Charles Babbage. It was designed to do mathematical operation automatically. The first difference engine was developed, designed who? Charles Babbage, and mathematical operations it performs a designed for basically calculate mathematical operations automatically. It was one of the earliest automatic calculator. Okay, and difference engine calculates the more than 8-digit numbers. Okay, and it performs automatically. Okay, calculation was what they do, calculating automatically. Next one is last one, analytical engine. Afterwards the Charles Babbage only developed the analytical engine. Is comparing the difference engine, the analytical engine is advanced. Okay, the analytical engine was developed by Charles Babbage in year of 1837. It was a new kind of mechanical computer. Okay, it's same like one computer. Okay, that could solve complex calculations including multiplication and division. Okay, complex calculation can solve this analytical engine, multiplication and division also we can solve. So analytical engine, the basic parts of the analytical engine resembled the components of a simple computer system. The basic parts of analytical engine is like now we are using computer like that only. Okay, it had a 5 units like our computer. Now we are using computer, that computer like input, output, store, mill and control. Okay, so because of analytical engine, Charles Babbage got the idea of a computer. Okay, and Charles Babbage had developed the analytical engine, and the fact box is Charles Babbage is considered the father of computer. After his invention and concept of analytical engine, okay, because of analytical engine he got the idea of a computer. The mill was similar to the modern CPU, computer CPU is similar to modern computer CPU. So there was a total 5 calculating device. Okay, so comparing abacus is the first calculating device. Comparing abacus, the Napier's bone is advanced. Comparing Napier's bone, which one is advanced? Pascaline is advanced. Comparing Pascaline, the next difference engine is advanced. Comparing difference engine, the analytical engine is advanced. And because of analytical engine, the Charles Babbage got the idea of computer. Okay, So the analytical engine meal was similar to a modern computer CPU. So students, you have the homework, today's class homework. Make one simple PowerPoint presentation on early calculator device. Hint for you, take the help of Google for pictures. Okay, calculating devices, pictures. Thank you.